Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Don't you just hate it when you need flowers? You need to either gift flowers or you've got somebody coming over for dinner or coming for coffee and you haven't got a flower in the house. Well, have I got you covered with this. I've got this beautiful plant here, this lovely little sunflower. I just love that you can buy them flowering now. They cost me less than the fresh do from the garden centre or the garden shop. So I reckon that's a really great way, an economical way of doing any kind of designing. And I'm just thinking that now that fall and Thanksgiving has finished on the other side of the world in America, this would be fantastic for table displays. So the first one I'm going to show you, I've got two versions for this, is these are the sushi rolls that I made ages ago for putting makeup brushes into. Look at that, so easy, a sushi roll. I love that you can utilise things that are supposed to be for something else into something else. It's great, reinventing the wheel, I say. Take those out of there, and then with your plant, now this is what I do if I do not have time and I haven't got a container to put them in. Just get your sushi roll, and that can just be very carefully, just lift your leaves as you go. I want those to be up, might as well utilise those leaves. Very gently just pick those up and then take that around the outside of the flower. There are the strings that you use for the makeup roll, and then just put a nice little bow onto that. If you don't have any of these but you've got a sushi roll, look at that, how cute does that look? Those at different lengths and heights along a table look fabulous for designing. If you don't have the makeup roll made, what you can do is just use a little bit of string and that can go around the side. So that's one version. The next version I want to show you is how to use a little bit of jute hessian for around the outside. I think you call it burlap on the other side of the world, but this is great stuff. This gives a really lovely cottage country chic-y sort of a look. So give me a moment to deconstruct this and I'll be back. So take a piece of your burlap or your sacking of whatever you've got, bring that up to there, bring it across to there, being gentle with those wee leaves, that around to there like so, and then get a couple of strips of some jute or string or whatever you've got, and then very firmly tie that. Actually, I don't want that pot to be seen at all, so take that right to the top. Sometimes you need two hands for this, and then take that around to there, tie that off, just rough, nice and rough and ready. This I thought would be really lovely for a wedding too, and I've got one coming up later on in the year, but I don't want that pot to be seen, so just make sure that that is well covered. And if it's still not right, you could perhaps put the pot into a brown paper bag and then wrap it up. But how easy is that? I love that. Quick and easy flowers in an emergency. I hope I've been of assistance. If you've got any good ideas that you'd like to share, please Gmail me. That's astarsplace@gmail.com, and I will be sure to share with the rest of those who subscribe and follow here at Astar's Place. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.